As of now, the price of Bitcoin is falling towards the downside heavily. Right now it is approximately at $114,000. Exactly as I predicted, the dump is happening right now. But what will happen this week and what I am expecting, I will share each and every detail with you guys. So let's get straight to the point. As of now, I am on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and sorry about the background noise. And right now the price of Bitcoin is exactly at $115,000 level. We saw a huge dump starting over here. I hope you can see this red bearish engulfing candle over here at 14th of August. I told you all that this is just starting, and well, the price of Bitcoin is now dumping towards the downside heavily. And right now I obviously expect a lot more dump towards the downside, because see, this is a very small dump, and if we look closely, if I zoom out the chart, you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin is still sideways only. That's the main reason over here. See, the max to max, the price of Bitcoin can dump till $112,000 or $110,000, but obviously this is not a dump. It is like a sideways market only. I still expect a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin. Well, and as I have said this plethora of times, that the price of Bitcoin has to dump towards the downside according to the nature of it, according to how it is now a bubble. But let's see what happens. I mean, Bitcoin never follows price action, and even if you are seeing a bearish confirmation, still it will try to pump towards the upside only most of the times. And that is how you get to know what is a bubble and what is not a bubble. Coming on to the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and over here, as Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is also pumping. And in my last video I informed you guys that I am personally entering in a short position in Ethereum. Exactly over here at $4,600 I entered in a short position. As of now, the price of Ethereum is going in my favor, but let's see what happens, whether it will come all the way down till here 3,700 or not. And in my last video I informed you guys why my take profit is at 3,700. But let's see what happens. Currently this trade is going in favor of me, and if the price of Ethereum in future dumps a little bit more in my favor, then I can switch my stop loss to break even. But right now still my stop loss is at 5k level only. And yeah, this is just a quick trade update on Ethereum. Talking about Solana over here, so again, if you have watched my previous few videos on Solana, you already know I informed you guys. It was kind of a warning that in future, whenever you see the price is pumping towards the upside with a retest, so it is not always that the market has to pump towards the upside only or follow in that direction. It may reverse soon, and the same thing happened with Solana also. I won't say this is a level at $205 approx, but this is a minor level. And last time also, when the price of Solana came at $205 level approx, it dumped towards the downside very heavily, as you can clearly see. Same again is happening right now also. We have seen a huge volume and a big body red candle over here, and well, guess what, it liquidated most of the people over here, and I did made a video about it as well. So if you have followed it and if you have learned something from it, then congratulations. But as of now, still the price of Solana, I won't say it is bearish and the price of Solana will dump towards the downside, because again there is a very important support over here from $168 to $176. So let's see what will happen in Solana. But as of now, obviously I'm not taking any trade in Solana. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. This week I expect the price of Bitcoin again to dump towards the downside, but as I said, it depends on how it is getting manipulated. And we have seen a small dump, but if we zoom out the chart and if we look at a bigger picture, it's still a sideways market only. So nothing much to be happy or to be worried about. Let's see what happens. But obviously if Bitcoin continues to fall, then Ethereum will also continue to fall along with most of other cryptos. And my Ethereum trade right now is in profits. I hope you already seen the trade update part. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also talking about Solana, well, it is good to see Solana dump, because already it was overbought, but it all depends on Bitcoin only, again how it is getting manipulated. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm personally not entering in any trade in Solana as of now. I'll just wait and watch. That's it. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, or just buy and sell, well, I have a you can say affiliate link of a centralized exchange in my description and in my pinned comments. It's your wish if you have to use a centralized exchange or a decentralized, or else you can just go on any website, any crypto exchange and create an account for free, but don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.